welcome once again to Red Dragon Collectibles. So 3 more scale models to share with you today. This time they're all Cadillacs, and these are not precisely 1/76 scale, but they are very close, definitely compatible. Because the interesting thing about American cars in 1/76 scale is that they are virtually non-existent. And my primary collecting scale is 1/76 scale. So the only real way I can collect any American cars, add American cars to the collection, is to find decent models that were made to fit a box and just happen to come out somewhere near 1/76 scale, which is the case with all 3 of these models. And there's quite a few more out there that I have my eye on, as I really like American cars, having grown up watching American TV shows and movies. So anyway, on to the models. So on the left is a 1941 Series 62 two-door coupe, manufactured by Matchbox. It's usually listed as 1/64th scale, but its true scale is 1/73rd, 173.5 to be exact, which makes it, at least for display purposes, compatible with the other 2 caddies. The one in the middle is a 1959 Eldorado, manufactured by Tomica in their premium range, and this is absolutely gorgeous, and I believe it's based on a real vehicle in a museum. And next to that is a 69 Seville, also to 1/75th scale, and this is manufactured by Matchbox also. So I tried to find made to fit the box models near to 1/76 scale when it comes to American cars. Can't usually find them precisely dead on 1/76, but I can often find models that come pretty near. And it helps when they're really nicely made and they don't look too toyish. And I think all 3 of these are pretty decent models. They're pretty decent representations of the cars they're meant to represent. The Eldorado in particular is absolutely gorgeous. So what I'll do, I'll take them off so that I can give them a spin on the table individually. The reason I wouldn't do it all together is because this is about my 5th take as they keep rolling off. So this is the 41 Series 62, manufactured by Matchbox. They've released it a few times in different colours. I actually thought I was purchasing a really nice blue one, but as I'm colourblind, it's actually green. Still really nice, however. They've also manufactured it with the top down as well, so I have my eye on a nice yellow one with the top down. So the only real fault that I have to pick with the Matchbox is it's not so visible on this one, is the narrow wheelbases, really, and of course the uniform wheels across all the models. However, I think these wheels are a huge improvement over the Matchbox whiz wheels of the 70s and 80s when I was a child. I remember them as toys. So on to the 59 Eldorado, and this is absolutely stunning. It was manufactured as part of Tomica's premium range, which is probably why it's so good. And there's nobody shouting in the background, by the way. That's the TV. You can hear screaming and shouting. It's a domestic on a TV show. So there you go. absolutely gorgeous, and I've got the box to this one as well. With the Matchbox caddies, I deliberately bought these loose because I didn't want to break them out of bubble packs. So that's the 69 Seville, also by Matchbox, and this one's, as I said, 1/75th scale. It's a really nice model, and again it was released a few times in different colours, and again the only thing that really lets it down, you'll see as it comes round, is that very narrow wheelbase, but it's not really that noticeable, you know, unless you're looking underneath and you're looking directly at it, so it's fine for display. And the interesting thing about the scale of these caddies, I'll just knock the table off. So the interesting thing about these is, I might as well just show you here, is that the 69 and the 59 in real life were virtually the same length wheelbases, which you can actually see. But if I roll them back a little and you take a look at the 41, in real life the 41 would have been a few feet shorter than the 59 and 69, and then even though this is manufactured to 1/73rd, slightly larger than 1/75th, you can see it still works. It is indeed shorter. So there you go guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with something else. Bye for now.